Okay. All right. Apparently I get like 57 minutes to do this, or that's all I have left on my phone. I don't know. But, okay, so I figured I'd jump on and do eyes. And this is what I'm using. So if you choose to sit down and do like a cosmetic consultation with me, I have, depending on your eye color, I have a couple of different palettes that we can use. I have hazel eyes, so I can basically use any of them, but I'm going to use this one today for green eyes, okay? I know they look brown right now, but they're hazel. So it comes with um, the eyeshadow, the blush, and lip color. And I can't see that this lip color is available anymore, but the rest of these colors are. So I'm going to use them and see how they do. They also get instructions on how to put it on, which is awesome because I have really bad experience with eyes. I always look like I've been beat up. And I know it's just practice makes perfect. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to practice and I'm going to take you along with me. So, so basically I'm just going to pull off my protective cover. It has a protective cover. I've pulled that off. Okay, and I'm going to use these colors. Now, let's see. So I did, this is sunlit rose. This is merlot. And then this is blossom. Okay, and they're pretty nice colors. And the blush is rosy nude, and the lip is rosewood. So those are the colors we're going to use today. So let's get started. So, okay, so it says in the instructions that I need to put on the sunlit rose, and I'm going to apply that shade to my eyelid, and it shows right here how to do that. So I'm going to get the shade on my brush. Okay, that is sunlit rose. I'm going to look in the mirror here, so I'm trying not to scrunch up my eye because you know what I want to do? Instead of the swiping, I'm going to do the patting. Okay, and it goes. I didn't put on any foundation or CC cream, which, oh, I got an errant. I'm going to pull it off. Oh, eyebrows. They're the bane of my existence. Okay, so I'm tap, tap, tap. And I'm following the directions. It's just on the lid, up to the crease, and over towards the edge. And again, I'm trying not to scrunch up my eye. I wonder if the new samples have different colors. Okay. So, okay. Okay, so that is the base. Now I'm going to do the crease. And the crease is going to be merlot. And so I need to start, apply shade to increase, starting at the outer corner. Okay. And the crease goes in the crease. So starting at the outer. Okay. So I do a little bit on the lid here. And I'm just going to pat, pat, pat it because it seemed easier. Okay. Than swiping. Okay. So start at the outer corner and work my way in. And I'm sorry, my eyes are old, so if you have younger eyes, it's going to look a bit different. But this is what happens to your eyes as you get older. Okay, so that's the crease. Okay, so that's defining. Okay. I don't know if I've... I feel like I look like I have a black eye, so maybe it'll fix in a little bit. Okay. Now, I do look like I have a black eye. Okay. So Blossom is the highlight. And the highlight, you apply shade 3, highlight, to the brow bone and inner corner of eye. So I'm going to use, let's see, I'm going to use my all over brush. And basically what I'm doing down here is I'm doing this. Because I'm not using a different brush for each color. I don't have a brush. I mean, I've used my all over brush, and I've used my crease brush, which is not that. My crease brush. Okay, so you see the angle there? That's the crease brush. And I'm going to do my highlighter now. So apply to the brow bone and outer corner. So let's see. Apply to brow bone. No, I'm not shaking, I'm pouncing. And pouncing is a term that I use in crafting, but this is basically the same. Basically the same term, or basically the same thing that I do with the pouncer. So let's see. Apply shade 3 to brow bone and inner corner of eye. Oh, okay. So I'm doing this. I may start blending in a minute, but I want to do the inner corner of my eye. Okay. Now, I'm going to try to blend a little bit. Yes, old eyes, crepey eyes. That's what they are. They're crepey. And if you ever watched Ally McBeal, Fish loved the women with the crepe. He was in love with Whipper. I loved Ally McBeal. I really did. This might look better if I did have foundation on. However, they don't look bad. Not for a try, okay? So I'm going to put on some mascara to see how that brings it together. So let's do that. This is the Fanorama Lash Love Fanorama, and it is my favorite. I haven't tried the Great Heights yet because I don't want to open up a new mascara right now. I just hit my eyelid because I was moving my head. Okay. Oh, that looks good. Okay. So when you wear eyeshadow, you really have to wear mascara. Okay. And never just a hint, tip, not hint. We're not on a scavenger hunt here, but just a tip. Never pump your mascara wand. And I mean, most people know this, because what you're doing is incorporating air into your mascara and it will dry out faster. So you don't want to do that. Okay. I never do my makeup in this room, so it's kind of weird being in here. I'm listening to my Sunday service right now, and I don't like the guy that's speaking, so I'm kind of not into it right now. Hopefully it gets better. I like it. Looks good. Now I don't have any eyeliner on right now, and I don't know if I should try to use the merlot. I don't know. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna use my my stumpy brush, my eye smudger, and see if I can do that. Not bad, right? So it's kind of weird using the eyeshadow on cardboard. I like it. Oh my god, Jen, you look good. You look really good. Okay, I'm excited. Okay, and man, I don't even know if this is gonna translate to Facebook. I may have to do it like a YouTube and then share the link, because I don't think this is gonna translate, and I don't want to speed it up because I feel like we've had a really good monologue here. So so now I'm gonna try the blush. Okay, I'm gonna use my cheek brush, and you see how it's got like the little divot right there. So I mean, if you're using it, you can bring it like that, you know, or you can, you know, use just the handle. It's curved, so this curves a little bit, so it gives you control on how you want your brush to be and your makeup to be. So I'm just going to use the cheek now. And this is, what is it again? Rosy Nude. Okay, so, and basically I'm going to pounce it. Pouncing's awesome. This is, Rosy Nude is super pretty. I like it. Now I'm going to push. So you got the apples of your cheeks. Okay, so now look. Oh my god, I'm just like, oh. Okay. I know. I'm a freak. It's okay. I don't mind it. I've always been a freak. So, okay. And last but not least, we're going to try the lipstick, which is rosewood, which is not available according to my, I don't even know. Oh, yeah, it is. Cool. It's not available as far as I can tell, in the catalog. So, but I'm sure there's another color that's similar to it if we like it. Okay. So I'm just putting it here because I don't have a lip brush. And I do have like sample spreaders to put your lips on, but I figure I'll use those for customers, not for me. This is a nice color. This is a really nice palette. And let's see, I have the Sunlit Rose and I have the Blossom. I think I need to get me some Merlot. But you guys, so this is pretty cool. I think I did a good job. Tell me what you think in the comments. Thank you so much for being here and watching. And wow, I really like it. So thank you. Have a great day. I'll talk to you later. Oh, wait a minute. Let me see how it looks. Ooh. Hello. I'm a movie star. I look great. I'm silly. I can't help it. Have a great day. Thank you.